So we have 10 assignments, and for assignments to drawing, you will need these things, these utensils like pencil, HB 0.5, whether like this or like this, 0.5 HB. So another regular pen, HB eraser, compass, ruler like this, longer one and shorter one if you have, protractor, okay. For assignment number 1, we need A3 page, and we need to draw a frame from top side 5mm, from bottom side 5mm, from right hand side 5mm, and from left hand side 20mm. Okay, so just let's measure from an edge. Here, from every side 5mm. And here 20mm. It is here, then from here 5mm. Another 20 you can put here, and try to make 90 degree. Then we can connect with regular pen. So you have to refine it several times, couple of times. Just first draw it carefully, then redraw it for refining. Then this horizontal side 5mm. You can measure 5mm and then connect them. Try to keep this line parallel with this edge, and you should try to make 5mm from here and here also, because if you make a mistake, so this becomes smaller, and at the end will be 3mm. Try to match these lines. So connect these 2 points then. So another 5mm mark we need here. close the loop like this way. So now we need to draw the title block here, and if you see the task description, so we need to write here the line types, and then line have look like all these type of the lines, thickness and description here. So below it should be title block. Title block sizes we should follow this one. So 185 to 55. So just measure it. 185. Just measure it like this. Then 55 from this frame. Just measure it like that. Then another 185, and try to make this parallel. So you can use, if you have several rulers, so you can make like that one, and try to make like as much as parallel. Okay, so the point is here. Okay, then connect this. And at this time you can just put your marks here every 5 millimeter. Okay. Then measure 50 millimeter. 50 millimeter. Yeah. And then in the bottom. Then here we have from here to here we have 1, 2, 3 and 40 millimeter. 40 millimeter. Okay, so 40 millimeter. And you can draw this. So use thin line like this. Then we can do this 50 millimeter vertical line. Then you can measure 70 millimeter. 70 millimeters. And 70 from the top. Connect. Vertical line. Make vertical line like this. Okay, and what else? So another 15 millimeter. So we have already 15 here. Just 3 portions from 3 portions from the left hand side. Just connect them. With some line like this. Okay, then another portion. So below from this line 5 millimeter, just one portion. Make another 5 from both sides, from this point another 5 millimeter like this, and from this top to the from this another 5 millimeter mark, and then connect them, and from here to here, just from here to here, like this line. And by the way, on that side also, you can draw, carefully draw. Then draw from this side also. Some line. Okay, so now you say 18, 17, 15. So we can do like this way. If you do from here, you can do 3 portions, each of them at 5 millimeter. Then 17, 10, 15, 17. So remaining one, it should be 18. So here you can see here already 18, 19. So the accuracy is 1 millimeter. Accuracy is enough. So if it's should be 18, but in your case it becomes a 19, no problem. So you can refine it when you redrawing. Okay, again. So then let's draw vertical lines. So 17, 15, 17. So now we can connect like that way. Then connect this one. And draw only inside of this same line. Okay. So all the raised sangs, horizontal lines are thin, and then all are inside here. So except of this vertical one. Okay, so let's do this first. Draw every 5 millimeter. So now try to so connect these lines. Now the vertical lines, we need 10 millimeter, 15 millimeter, and 23. Then another 10. Remaining should be 7, as you see in here. Same thing happening from baseline. So make 10 millimeter mark, 15 millimeter, 23, 10, 23. Then that's it. So just let connect with this regular pencil. Another one. Another one. Then be careful, and here when you draw this line, it should be until this thick one. There are two thick lines, so it's below, one portion below from this line. So this one and that one should be thick. So we can refine it by drawing it again 2-3 times, like this, and like that one more time. And we can draw this line okay. So this line and that one, that these all are, except this one and that one, are thick lines. So let's refine it also. And that one also. Should be thick. And this one. This one. This one. And here. And this one also. And this line. So here we have to split this with 20 millimeter real line. Okay, so here we are. So our title book is like this now, and from vertical side we can do like this way, and then again we can refine it. Okay, so our frame with title book is like this. So we have 10 assignments all 10 assignments should be like this, with title block and with this kind of frame in A3 format. Okay, so every time you have to prepare like this one and then draw all the tasks inside here. So assignment number 1, first part of assignment number 1 is like this, and for the second part of assignment number 1, we need to write these things inside of this paper. Okay, for that one, use fonts with 5mm font size. So age is 5mm. So this age means capital letter, height, age, vertical size, age is 5mm. So then C is small letters, height is 3.5mm. Okay, use this font because we have a lot of lines here. So so this place should be enough. This sheet, empty place, should be enough for that one. Then to write these nodes and lines, we're dividing this one, this side and that side, with portions of equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, so from here I did marks with 10mm each, so 20 centimeter. So okay, for every centimeter 1 dot, and from top frame I start making a point 20mm, and then start for every centimeter 1 dot here in the middle, and then on the right hand side. So then I'm going to connect these things. So 6 or 7 centimeter or 6-7 centimeter line for identity of the line types. Okay, and then here will be a line, and then information about the thickness, and then description, what's the meaning, we use this one, application field. Okay, so then I'm doing for every line same lines, same manner, but for the first line I'm using this descriptions, the table names, the column names, I mean. Then one empty line, you see there is a dot, there is a dot, and there is a dot. I did not connect because I'm going to leave it as a empty line, empty row, and then connect all other lines with similar manner. And draw it very carefully without tracing too much. So if you do some mistake or wrong thing, so you'll be able to erase it, clean it. Okay, so for example, I have a wrong line here, not matching, 2 lines are not matching, so I'm deleting it like this way. So doing another try like this. Okay, so with the same manner I have to complete up to here, and then I can write there. With same manner we are doing like this lines, and then on top of each line we are making another thin line, and the distance between these 2 lines are 3.5. As I told you, the font small letter size is 3.5. So C character, actually C parameter means this one. So small letter vertical height, vertical size is 3.5 in our case, and bigger one is 5 millimeters, and because of the slope 75 degree, so it looks like a longer. Okay, so here we have to write identify, contour, thickness, and application field. So on, with the same manner, we have to write what you have here, everything in here. Okay, so let me zoom in. So identify, contour, thickness. So distance between this 3.5, and in here you can see here dots we have, but we don't have a lines because here in description of the line type we have a lot of lines. So 5 lines, 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 lines are here, 1 2 3 4 5, and then the next third one will start on. Okay, so that's why we have empty place here, and then third one will start from this place, like this. Okay, so we have to fill out everything. Finally, we complete assignment number 1, and at the end, do not forget to write your name and put your signature using just normal pen. Okay, so do not use pencil, just a pen to write your name and signature and then date.